No more Takis for the rest of the day, okay? Takis are bad for you.
Yes, ma'am.
What are y'all doing?
Eating some Takis.
You're not supposed to be eating Takis. Mama said no. You eating with the nanny? What are you doing? Janice!
Wait!
They're outside eating Takis with the nanny.
No, they're not.
Yes, they are. Come look.
Hide it.
They out here eating Takis. Look, right here. She had them.
Where the Takis at?
She had them right here. It was in his...
Yeah. You over here making stuff
Rico,
up.
what are you talking about?
Leave them alone.
I don't know what he's talking about.
Whatever.